Hi, I'm Kevin Ryan, and today I'll be testing the Upright Go Posture Trainer. This thing is a patch that you put on your back, right on your upper spine, and it buzzes when you start to slouch. It launched this spring, raised $1.1 million on Kickstarter, and is now sold in the Apple Store, so it has the Apple endorsement. What I'm going to do is wear this thing for a full week, get zapped, and see if it improves my posture. It's $80, so it better do something. Okay, it's on my back. The full week commences now. The Upright Go syncs with an app and has two modes, Zapper on and Zapper off. When the Zapper's off, the app will passively record your posture so you can study it later. Upright here, 20% slouched. Looks like I slouched in the middle there. That was the red area. Wore this thing for 6 hours and 24 minutes yesterday. When you turn the Zapper on, anytime you slouch, zap. Now the Zapper doesn't hurt, but it can be a little jarring at first. It's more annoying than anything, kind of like if somebody kept tapping you on your back. Eventually, I found myself getting paranoid and afraid to even lean over and grab a pen or a notebook. It was like I was a dog, trying to stay away from the edge of one of those invisible fences. But after a couple of days, I got sort of used to it. It became less disruptive, and eventually, a welcome reminder to sit up straight. Okay, I did this weird Pavlovian experiment for a week. The conclusion, surprisingly, it worked. I would actually recommend this product. To me, yeah, it's worth the $80. On day 1, I was upright 52% of the time. And by day 5, I was upright 80% of the time. And even when I turned the Zapper off, I found myself subconsciously sitting upright. The only real con is that the app tracking is not perfect. Sometimes it just stops with no warning and needs to be recalibrated. The app needs to be calibrated again. Hasn't been tracked for 2 hours. But other than that, if you're having trouble with your posture, yes, this product might be for you. And you know what? This may be perfect for your New Year's resolution. Regardless, I can now say this product has been ink tested.